Navigating the labyrinthine world of immigration can feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded, underwater. It's complex, it's intimidating, and the stakes are incredibly high. One wrong move could mean delays, denials, or even jeopardizing your dreams of a new life in a new country. So, imagine for a moment, what if there was a simpler way? A way to cut through the jargon, streamline the process, and empower you to take control of your immigration journey, all without the hefty price tag often associated with traditional legal services? This isn't a hypothetical. For years, companies like LegalZoom have revolutionized how people access legal services for business formation, estate planning, and a host of other common legal needs. They've built a reputation on making the complicated, well, less complicated. But the burning question, the one that often sparks heated debates and countless online searches, is this: can LegalZoom truly be your trusted partner for something as profoundly life-altering as immigration? Is LegalZoom for immigration services a game changer, or a risk too great to take? Today, we're diving deep into that very question. We're going to pull back the curtain on LegalZoom's offerings in the immigration space, analyze their strengths and weaknesses, compare them to traditional legal representation, and ultimately, help you decide if this online platform is the right fit for your unique immigration needs. Because let's be honest, when it comes to your future, you deserve clarity, not confusion. The immigration process, regardless of the country, is inherently bureaucratic. It involves mountains of forms, specific deadlines, and a precise understanding of ever-evolving laws and regulations. From applying for a visa, to seeking a green card, to the ultimate goal of naturalization, each step demands meticulous attention to detail. Historically, this has meant relying on immigration lawyers, professionals who specialize in this intricate field, offering personalized advice, preparing documentation, and representing clients before immigration authorities. While invaluable, their services often come with a significant financial commitment, putting them out of reach for many. This is where the allure of a platform like LegalZoom comes in. LegalZoom operates on a model of providing legal document preparation and access to a network of attorneys, typically at a lower cost than a full-service law firm. For things like forming an LLC or drafting a will, this model has proven incredibly successful. The premise is that for standardized legal tasks, you don't necessarily need an attorney to handhold you through every single step. You need accurate forms, clear instructions, and perhaps a way to connect with an attorney if a specific legal question arises. So, how does this translate to immigration? LegalZoom offers various immigration-related services, primarily focusing on document preparation for common applications. This might include applications for green cards, family-based or employment-based, certain types of visas, and even naturalization. Their promise is to simplify the often daunting paperwork, guiding you through questionnaires that populate the necessary forms, and ensuring that your application is submitted correctly. They aim to reduce the complexity by providing a user-friendly interface and pre-filled templates. One of the most attractive aspects, undoubtedly, is the cost. Compared to the hourly rates or flat fees charged by many immigration attorneys, LegalZoom's pricing can appear significantly more affordable. For individuals on a tight budget, this cost-effectiveness can be a powerful draw, offering a glimmer of hope that professional assistance isn't entirely out of reach. They also offer what they call attorney plans, or legal plans, that can include limited consultations with attorneys in their network, providing a hybrid model of self-service with some professional oversight. This can be appealing for those who want a bit more reassurance without committing to a full retainer. Furthermore, the convenience factor cannot be overstated. In today's digital age, the ability to complete sensitive legal processes from the comfort of your home, at your own pace, holds immense appeal. No need to schedule in-person appointments, navigate traffic, or take time off work. LegalZoom's online platform allows you to upload documents, answer questions, and track your progress digitally, offering a level of accessibility that traditional law firms might struggle to match. For many, this flexibility is a major advantage, especially if they are already balancing work, family, and the stress of the immigration journey itself. However, it's crucial to pump the brakes here and consider the flip side. Immigration law is notoriously nuanced and dynamic. Unlike forming a basic business entity, Immigration cases often involve intricate personal circumstances, rapidly changing policies, and the potential for complex legal issues to arise unexpectedly. This is where the limitations of a largely automated, template-driven service can become apparent. The primary concern raised by many immigration lawyers and consumer advocates is that LegalZoom, at its core, is a document preparation service. While they can help you fill out forms correctly, they are generally not providing personalized legal advice tailored to your specific situation. This distinction is critical. An immigration lawyer doesn't just fill out forms. They assess your eligibility, identify potential pitfalls, advise on the best strategy, prepare compelling arguments, and represent you if complications arise. They can anticipate problems before they occur, understand the subtle implications of your answers, and craft a case that maximizes your chances of success. For example, what if your case involves a past immigration violation, a criminal record, or a complex family relationship? These are not fill-in-the-blank scenarios. They require in-depth legal analysis, research into case precedents, and a deep understanding of immigration statutes. A service like LegalZoom, even with its attorney consultation options, might not be equipped to provide the comprehensive, ongoing legal representation and strategic guidance necessary for such complex cases. Their attorneys are often limited to brief consultations, which may not be sufficient to fully understand the intricacies of a challenging case or to represent you in court or before an immigration officer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.